A lot of people don't know that Jesus had a wife and children. A lot of people don't know that Jesus lived past the age of 33. A lot of people don't know that Jesus had a special relationship with Mary Magdala, who is Mary Magdalene, because Mary Magdalene was his wife. That's something that we should really work to dispel, right? Is this notion of a Jesus that wasn't who they tell you, like this deified version of a humanity that just didn't really exist in the way that they tell you it did. And I think the story becomes a lot richer when you know that he lived a full life. I think the story becomes a lot richer when you know that he had a community, that he was loved, that he had a family, that he had sons and daughters. And he didn't die for nobody. He didn't die for nobody. He told everybody to pick up their own cross. He said, I am the way, the truth, and the life, because you have to follow this path, which is awakening to your own divinity, the Christ dwelling in you, which is why he said, the kingdom of heaven cometh not with observation. It's not something you could see. It's within you, which is what he was trying to wake people up to. He didn't physically die on a cross. He spiritually died on a cross. He endured a dark night of the soul. He had an ego death so that Christ could rise. His mind could rise and be renewed from his subconscious, where it was sleeping giants and had to be awakened with trumpets